Hey, it's Jeff with All Around Auto Techs. Welcome back to the DIY channel. Working on a 2017 f150 XLT with the EcoBoost 2.7 two-wheel drive, and we're doing front complete struts. I'll give you guys a quick tip here because I had an issue with this part here. On the new shocks, the stud and the nut come separately, which is here. It comes separately, so you won't have to worry about the clearance issue. But on this, what you'll need to do is leave this on, take this off. I put a pry bar here when I'm taking it off, just to make sure it doesn't flop up. You want to put a jack stand under here too. You want to take off your stabilizer link. I replace them at the same time, so you need to have both sides off as well on the stabilizer links so that you can clear this. So that's the last thing I'm going to do is the stabilizer links. And so when you get all the bolts off, the bolt from down here, the two bolts, then you move this out of the way, and what you want to do is take this bolt off too, these two here, just so that these wires don't get bunched up when you're taking it down. And then I'll show you once I get to that point, and I'll come back.